Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Some of you may know what this is for. This is my letter opener. So what does that mean? Got new parts in. You can see already who it's from. So roll that intro and let's get this open. First thing I see is a little packet with featured products. Got this, the parts to connect this part to my bike. So I got a shield right here, windshield, and then right here I got my fairing. Alright, let's go over what I got. I got the fairing. Got the hardware right here to connect it to my bike. Comes with all the washers and everything I need. Got Allen wrenches. My windscreen. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting this together. So this is my first time doing this, so I'm kind of learning as I go. So I'm gonna take these off. And go. That's the front, so this is gonna go right there. So I'm gonna get that on there real quick. And then put right up to it. Push this through. This goes on the outside. So that piece goes on the outside, I push it in. Started, I'll get the other one in. So I'm not going to put it in there extremely tight because I want to make sure it mounts up correctly. Then once it's installed, then I'll tighten it up on here. And right here it says, do not use a screwdriver. Don't want to end up breaking it. Now we're going to install the windshield. So I took the hardware apart. So just these, they're plastic, so they can break and strip real easy. So got those taken apart, so I'm ready to install the windscreen. So I think this one is 11-inch dark smoke. I'm not committed to this one, so my plan is to order a couple of them so I could kind of accessorize and know exactly what I want. But I think this one is a good one for me to start with. So I got them all installed. And now just tighten them up a little bit, hand tight. Alright, don't use the screwdriver. Alright, there's the fairing. And now it's time to go put it on the bike. All right, right here I am loosening up my Hogworks turn signals so that way I can fit the fairing onto the bike, and where the wires are connected to the blinkers, they drilled a hole in the forks, so I gotta pull the wires a little loose so that way I could get the fairing put in there. I have to remove the light ring first. So I have the visor light ring on my bike, so I have to remove that. Currently have a new one on order. I did install it without the headlight ring. First I want to put it at the bottom, then I'll connect the top, latch it in. Then once it's latched in, I'm going to go through and tighten everything up. Now it's installed. Easy day. Alright, now that it's installed and getting a good look at it, I am really stoked on how the fairing has made my bike look. I posted it on Instagram and instantly there was a lot of comments. I'm gonna pull those up right now because I feel like if you're looking to do this as well for your bike, that you'll get some great opinions. So CMC Motorsports says dope pick, gorgeous machine, she's a beauty. Someone posted, I love everything about this. Someone's wanting to make a design out of this, and someone says it's changed my bike in such a badass way. So I am extremely pleased with how this install turned out. So now let's take a look at it from an aerial perspective. Alright, there you have it. The Memphis Shades Road Warrior install. I've already rode on it for over 1,000 miles and I absolutely love it with a vent. So my only complaint is it's pretty noisy. It keeps the air off my chest and my head rather well. So my next shield I'm gonna buy is not gonna be vented. But I love how it's transformed my bike. I'm a huge fan, and I highly recommend you checking it out. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.